I think I got something caught on me here. Yeah, kind of. Sounded like something was chasing me. Oh, shit. Somebody's gonna be happy that I found this. Oh gosh. Somebody's still recording here. Today I am heading out to Rothrock State Forest to check out a few more of the many trails that Rothrock State Forest has to offer. We got a little snow overnight which made the trails look pretty cool. This snow is what we Pennsylvanians refer to as onion snow. According to the Farmer's Almanac, it was called this because it is ideally the best time to plant onions, and some say it's a sign of spring's arrival. It ordinarily melts really fast, which is what the weatherman is predicting today, especially as we are heading east to the center of Pennsylvania. On the way out, we drove through Pennsylvania Amish country, where the traffic was moving along at a snail's pace. Kinda entertaining to watch though. Then I thought, I wonder if they have fake news. Do they know about the coronavirus? I mean, they have television, right? What's in that little booth at the end of their... Call it Murphy's Law, Friday the 13th weekend, or what have you, but I somehow lost the battery door to my Hero 8 Black, which is easily done because it becomes detached so easily, as I mentioned in another video. Nonetheless, without a spare, the Hero 8 is deemed unusable. I will have to use the Hero 7 for the chest mount and the Hero 4 for B-roll stuff. I called GoPro and bitched. They were pretty cool and have a new door on its way. I also checked Amazon, and for $20 I have a spare door coming in, because I have a feeling that this is not the last time that this is going to happen, as the door becomes detached so easily. We met this guy named Matt at the trailhead, and he offered to show us how the trails are set up here. A really cool thing about these trails is that you can do most of the climbing on gravel roads, so you can shred a lot of the trails downhill. Dropping in. One of my buddies, he wouldn't even hesitate on this log and just hop right over it somehow. He just blows my mind how he does it.
He's in shape. You can close the button.
He does. Yeah. Mark, if you're watching this video, So on that day we rode 4 trails, starting with Sandhole, then Sass XX, and Chautauqua upper and lower, not necessarily in that order. The trails were well laid out and contained all of the elements that make trails fun, with a mixture of roots, rocks, and flow. This is so good. Oh shit. Somebody's gonna be happy to find that I found this. Oh gosh. Somebody's still recording here. If I can find the owner to this, I want you to subscribe to the Mostly Mike Show. I'm gonna shut this off right now. Or maybe I'll ride with it a little bit, get some footage for you. I found somebody's GoPro and it's still recording. I think it's a Hero 7 black, just like I'm wearing, because we all know what happened to my Hero 8. I found somebody's GoPro, and it's still recording, so
Put it in my pocket.
I'm filling it up with some stuff from the Mostly Mike show.
Here, I'll put it in my pocket and we'll see if we can.
You might want to hit the button to shut it off.
Alright, wow, that sucks.
This way. And it looks like Friday the 13th got someone else too. I stumbled upon a GoPro camera that someone must have just lost because it was still actually recording. I recalled seeing a group of riders in front of us, suspecting that one of them was its owner. We eventually caught up with them and reunited the lost camera with its owner.
Chasing people. You can't have the bar, but you need that. Where'd you find it?
I said when we get this to the owner, I'm like, you subscribe to the Mostly Mike show.
Good.
Awesome.
Where'd you find it?
It
Go
was
back look for the other piece.
Friday the 13th bit me in the ass again with the Hero 4 camera. I got set up for some B-roll footage and the battery was dead. Note to self, when you update the firmware on Hero 4, remember to turn it off with either the phone app or the switch, or it will stay on. Because the battery is a permanent part of the camera itself, I was SOL. That was freaking cool! It's a pretty good steep climb here. I will undoubtedly return to Rothrock soon and believe it will become one of my favorite places to ride once I get to know the trails better. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to this channel and check out my other videos. Be sure to enter any questions or comments below and mash the thumbs up button. As always, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time.